So hey guys, good morning. Today I'm going to a dance class and from there to the gym, and then just run. Like, I don't know what's going to happen today, but the main things we're doing today is just gym, then dance class. I'm trying to lose weight, even though I used to eat so much. From the gym we're planning to go and even eat somewhere. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Just my day. Today is Saturday morning. I'm supposed to be there by 9. It's 8:55, and guys, like, my car is dirty. I have to wash. I don't even know. I just hope when I get there, there'll be a car wash there, because I have to wash my car. And guys, lately I've been feeling these glasses since hubby told me that the glasses fit my color. That's how the glasses is not my best glasses now. See you guys. Bye.
Girl, I'm sold. We never took a night off, saw me cold. Won't even turn the light off. Told me you're so out control. Now I'm high as hell, got alone. I'm so forward when I miss you. Act so foreign, yeah, you're not cute. Yeah, I thought I'm never gonna ever wreck you, and I promise never gonna ever test you. Now you're gonna get my best. You are not like the rest, no. Then take a shot, no verse, that ass put me to sleep, no rest. Feeling like we could not be, we could not last. On my knees, on my bed, and I'm done with this feeling. Keeping like we were happy, now a moment's past. Underneath these masks we fall sold. We never took a night off, saw me cold. Won't even turn the light off. Told me you're so out control. Now I'm high as hell, got alone.
Wonder, but it's good. Is it Ojo Leba rice? What kind of packaging is this? How can they be allowing Ojo Leba to be near here?
asked the question, then you said it. Always saying things you'll regret.
My friend is actually waiting for me and I'm here. Arrange. I want to get something to eat or drink or something. Just cool temper. Guys, I walked out. I'm so tired. Bye.
Can't erase the steps we taken. Can't go back to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest.
Guys, so I'm in my car. So I ordered the what's this, salad parfait sandwiches. I don't know what I ordered, but it's parfait sha. And then I also ordered a sandwich, so I'm going to be eating it as I'm driving. No vex, I'm hungry. I decided to pack and finish my yogurt, my parfait, because I was trying to eat and drive and it wasn't working. It was too risky for me. I drive really fast, especially on the highway, so it was too risky for me. Guys, but on a normal day, this thing is not something I would eat. My friend has ordered it for me before, my friend Joan, and I hated it. I don't know if maybe it is the one she ordered or I don't know, but this one I'm eating, I like it. And there's this coconutty crunchiness I like, that is just, you know, making everything gel together. I'm changing. My husband sees me eating this, he'll be like, how, where, when? It's delicious, I mean. But how will I lose weight if I'm eating this? Hey. Oh, they make money, shall. This one is 1.5. I'll be 1,000. 1,000. So I wanted to actually register for the gym, you know. Well, when they were telling me the things that I have to reduce, the things I have to not eat, the thing was doing me like feel more. I won't lie, it will be difficult for me. If you tell me, okay, reduce portions, fine. But when you tell me I can't eat this, I can't eat that, I can't eat this, that's where I have a problem. I won't even lie. That's number one. Number two, this gym I went to is really, really far from my house. It's like almost 20 to 30 minutes drive from my house. I don't know if it's reasonable for me to be doing that every day. Okay, I'll just skip one day in the week. Every day, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I wanted to be going in the morning, but my friend works, she works at in the bank. So if you're looking for a bank officer, let me know. So she works in Zenith Bank and she goes to the gym after work. And you know, these kind of gym things, for me, or let me not talk for everybody, for me, I feel like when you have a partner, it motivates you. Like even if you want, you know, fuck up, thing will make you, will ginger you. So I was saying, okay, I'll be coming in the evening because of her. Like, so we'll be together, then we'll go home, you know. I just have to just think of so many things because of baby, going in the morning for me is not really reasonable too because of baby. Then the place is still far. Then the price of the gym is actually 45k, which they can give you a discount, you know. I was telling them I want to reduce my tummy, I want to work on my bum and my hips and all that. They were not laughing at me that what else do I want? This one I have is not enough for me, all those kinds of shit. But me, I know what I want. This is something I have to discuss with hubby. I was talking about decisions you make before marriage, and it's not as if I cannot just say, oh, I want to do it, or I'm going to do it. No, I can say that, but it's, you have a husband, you have a partner. I think it's something you should discuss with him. That's just my challenge now. I'm not eating this morning. After eating this, I won't eat still. Now it's something small. So guys, when I was driving, I now remember that I was carrying hubbies their clothes. I was supposed to give it to the tailor. So I'm at the tailor's house right now. I called her. She said she wasn't at the shop. I should come to her house. And yeah, so hubby wants to use this one to make a short, this one to make a trouser. I'm coming. My tailor is calling me. Then want to also use this one to make what do you call that thing, to make Ola, the clothes that they wear for Ola's baptism, this material. And then this one they'll use it to make what they wear for the main event. Sha. Let me go. Guys, I'm back home. I'm so tired. Like, I've had a long day. I actually after giving my tailor the clothes, just gisted for a while. After gisting for a while, then I came back home. I finished up my parfait. I've not eaten. I've been drinking water. Maybe I'll eat later if I get hungry. If not, I won't eat. I don't want my stomach to be big. Anyways, my baby girl with me. That's Ola with her mama. Oh God, I need to remove this hair. The hair don't try. Don't they don't tire me. This hair don't they go 4 weeks. So. Hey. Oh God. Why I'm just chilling, shy. It's just because I want to. But what I will do, I'll relax my hair next week. After this weekend coming, I'll relax my hair the upper week, so that the hair will stay like a week before I do my ponytail I want to do. Because I want to do a really nice ponytail. There's this girl I follow on Instagram. On her birthday, she did this ponytail and I really liked it. So that's what I'm going to be doing for Jina's, for Ola's dedication / baptism. But anyways, I just wanted to end this vlog here. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, remember, thumbs up and share, like, comment, everything. I love you guys so much for watching. Until my next vlog. Salute.